Today I will give you some tips to solve the competitive questions quickly in seconds, okay, which are based on the sum, difference and product of the natural numbers. Like the sum of two numbers is given 40 and their difference is given 6. Find the greater number. To find the greater number, what we have to do? First we have to add these two numbers and then we have to divide it by 2. Then you will get the greater number. Suppose a smaller number is asked in the question, then what you have to do? First you have to subtract these two numbers and then you have to divide it by 2. So this one is the smaller number and this one is the greater number. अगर आपसे greater number पूछा है तो पहले इन दोनों numbers को plus करो, then 2 से divide करो. अगर smaller number पूछा है in place of greater number, then पहले इन दोनों को difference निकालो और फिर उसको 2 से divide करो. In this question, the sum of two numbers is given 36 and their difference is given 12. You have to find out the smaller number. Smaller number आप मुझे comment box में comment करके बताएंगे. Now we will see the. Now in this question, the sum of two numbers is given 75 and their difference is given 25. You have to find out the product of the numbers. So first we will find out the greater number. As you know that how to find the greater number, you add these two numbers and then divide it by 2. So the greater number is 50. For finding the smaller number, we have to subtract them and then we have to divide it by 2. So now we have to find out the product of 50 and 25, that is equal to 1250. In this question, the sum of two numbers is given 8 and their product is given 15 and you have to find out the sum of the reciprocal of the numbers. Okay, what is the sum of two numbers? Sum of two numbers is 8 and what is the product of these two numbers? Product of these two numbers is 15. Then what will be the sum of the reciprocal of the number? Simply 8 upon 15. You have to solve this question in seconds only because already answer is given in the question. Now you can see what are the two numbers whose sum is 8. 3 and 5. Why we have taken 3 and 5 only? Because the product is also given that their product is 15. So here the sum of 3 and 5 is 8 and product of 3 and 5 is 15. Now we have to find out the sum of their reciprocal, means 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 5. We have to find out what is the LCM of 3 and 5? 15. Now we will multiply it by 5 and multiply this one by 3. So the answer is 8 upon 15 and here we have done this question in 1 second only. Okay. Now in this question, the difference of two numbers is given. The difference of two numbers is 5 and their product is given 36. We have to find out the sum of the reciprocal of the numbers. Again we have to do the same thing. What is the difference of the number? 5. And what is the product of the numbers? 36. So the sum of reciprocals of the numbers will be 5 upon 36. Sorry, this is not sum, this is difference. So if we have to find out the difference of the reciprocal of the number and the difference of the two numbers is given, then again we have to repeat the same process. The difference of the number upon the product of the numbers given. After dividing a number by 25, we got 7 as remainder. Then what will be the remainder if we divide the same number by 5? For that, what we have to do? What was the remainder if we were dividing the number by 25? 7. And now we have to find out the remainder if we will divide the number by 5. So what we have to do? We have to divide this remainder by 5. What is the remainder? 2. So 2 will be the remainder when we will divide the same number by 5. Now in this question, if we dividing a number by 35, the remainder is 4. What will be the remainder if we divide the square of that number by 5? So in this question, what we have to do? We have to do the square of this remainder. What will be the square of this remainder? 16. Now we will divide this 16 by 5. what will be the remainder? If we will divide the same number by 5, if we will divide the square of the same number by 5, then we will get remainder 1. If you like the tricks, then please like this video and share also. Goodbye all of you.